Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, September 16th, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. We have a paper worksheet called Simplifying Fractions in Math. Please make sure you're using your journal and following the simplifying tips and notes. For our accelerated math class, you have lesson 2.6, which involves dividing whole numbers. In science, you have to finish your precision versus accuracy lab questions. This is page 3 that is on our Chromebooks. So first through fifth periods, you guys will have that. If you are sixth and seventh period, you will have this on paper. For our accelerated class, I got your virtual lab unit 6, lesson 2. In social studies, there is no homework tonight, so thank you, Mr. Canfield, for that. In language arts, number 1, we've got a writer's notebook. Chapter 6 entry is due. All right, this is called Snatches of Talk. Make sure you're watching the video that we had set up for you that involves SpongeBob and Patrick, just to get some more help if you need that. Also, this Friday, we are going to have a quiz in language arts where we need to review for. All right, this is over a writer's notebook, chapters 1 through 6. It is very important that you utilize the study guide that is found through this link here. You just click on it. You can go and open the study guide for writer's notebook quiz chapters 1 through 6. If you would like a paper copy, all right, you can ask for one from Mrs. Murray in class tomorrow. The accelerated class has a general and specific nouns assignment to do. And in literature, what we're looking at is our vocabulary activity part 1 and part 2 are due by 3 p.m. tomorrow. That's the end of the school day following warrior time. What we also have is AR goal is due October 9th, so we need to keep reading and taking AR tests. There's some of you that have only taken one test, and we got to make sure that we are reading at least 30 to 40 minutes a night and taking tests in school. For careers in life, you need to start brainstorming what you will do for your working on working project. And in FCS 6, there is no homework. That is going to be everything today, or everything for today from a school standpoint. On signing off, just want to say happy birthday to my mother.